Daniel back for another round of aggregations for coding-bootcamps.com, and in this video we are going to talk about the aggregation operator average. As you saw in the last video, we had a JavaScript where we were specifying an aggregation pipeline, and inside of that pipeline we had an operator here for sum. Now we're just going to change this to average, and you can see I had already changed it, but you get the idea. We are switching these three letters from SUM to AVG. That is the only change from the last video, and we are still grouping by department right now. And we're going to save this, and we're going to view our result. Running the same aggregation script, we see that we have our IT department with an average of 57,500 and our accounting department with an average of 63,000. If we want to check our results, let's return to our code and look at our employee salaries. There's one employee in accounting. They have a salary of 63,000, so the average is 63,000. We have two employees in IT, one with 44,000 and one with 71,000. If you do a little bit of math, you will find that the average is, if we return to our terminal, 57,500 for that department. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to continue talking about more aggregation operators and how to make our aggregation pipeline a little bit more sophisticated. I will see you then.